Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh, your CAD resource. We have an exciting video today. In today's video, we're constructing a similar triangle to a given triangle. In the previous video, we looked at the area of the calculation of a triangle. So perhaps you could visit that video after you have completed watching this one. So we'll be starting the video now. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh, your CAD resource. In today's video, we have an exciting video for you. We'll be constructing a similar triangle, given a triangle ABC. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the line. So we're going to turn on ortho by pressing this icon. We're going to turn on snap by pressing this icon down here. Then we're going to click here as a starting point, and the length of the line will be 70 millimeters. Enter. Enter to close the command. I'm going to center the drawing for you so you can see. All right, so I'm going to label a line for you. So I'm going to turn off snap. I'm going to choose right here. The height will be 4, rotational angle 0. So this will be lock caps A. This will be B. So I'm constructing the given triangle. All right. I'm going to mark an arc from A. So I'm going to go arc, center, start, end. I'm going to turn on object snap, and then from here, I'm going to mark an arc 70 millimeters, enter. I'm going to turn off ortho. Then I'm going to mark another arc from B. From B, center B, and this radius would be 50 millimeters, enter. This point where the two arcs intersect are to be C. I'm going to turn off object snap. Height to be 4, rotation angle 0, this will be C. Or the next step is to draw a line from C. Draw a line from C to A. I'm going to turn on object snap. So C to A, enter, enter. C to B, enter. All right. Now I'm going to make it smaller. What we're going to do now, having completed the triangle, what we're going to do, we're going to mark off the required arc. So we are drawing a triangle which is enlarged by 6 to 5. So I'm going to mark 6 arcs on the line AD. So I'm going to label this D. This will be D. All right, so I'm going to mark 6 arcs. So I'm going to go arc, center, start, end, center. I'm going to make the arc 10 millimeters, enter. Going to come back again, arc, center, start, end, intersection. Going to make the arc 10. Going to come here, arc, center, start, end. Radius will be 10. Center, start, end. This will be 10. Gonna go arc, center, start, end, 10. Gonna come back again, arc, center, start, end, radius 10. So we're gonna number these now so you can follow, all right? So we go single line text. I'm going to turn off object snap. So this would be height will be 4, rotation angle 0. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we're going to move the 1. It's a little bit too close to the line. So we're going to select the object, press enter, select a base point. I'm going to put it about right there. That's better. I'm going to move the 2 also. I'm going to move the 3 also. All right, so I'm going to center the drawing so you can see a little bit better. All right, good. So the drawing is going to get larger because the ratio is 5/6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line from, going to turn on object snap, enter. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a line, construction line from B going to the right of B. So we go line, going to turn on ortho, enter. What we're going to do is copy this line from 6, right? So to copy it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark an arc. So center at 5, radius 8 millimeters. Good. I'm going to do the same procedure at 6. So center at 6. This radius would be 8. All right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw an arc from this intersection here to intersect this point here. Let me label the 2 points for you. So this point, let me label this 7 and label this point 8. All right, we're going to move it so that it is neat. So we're going to click this, enter. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to turn off ortho. All right, so we're going to move the 7 also. I'm going to put it above here. I'm going to mark an arc. Center at 7. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure this radius, right? So I'm going to go radius, and I'm going to measure this radius. So this radius is, well, let me make the drawing smaller and then fix it. So I'm going to move this, I move it, put it there. All right. Now I want to change the comma to a full stop. So I'm going to type at D, the shortcut for dim style. I'm going to press modify. I'm going to go to primary units. I'm going to change the comma to a period. Press OK, close. And you're supposed to see a full stop here. Good. So what I'm going to do from this point here, which would be 9, where this arc intersect this line, that would be 9. So let me label it 9 for you. Gonna make the height smaller. Gonna make it 3 millimeters. Enter. 3. Enter. Rotation angle 0. I'm gonna label this point 9 for you. 9. Alright, so from 9, I'm gonna scribe an arc that is equal to 12.42. So I'm gonna go to arc. Center, start, end. Gonna art object snap is on. I'm gonna click here, and this radius will be 12.42. Enter. All right, when I mark the arc now, we intersect this arc. That will be the parallel line that we need. All right. So from here, we're gonna draw a line from this intersection at 6 through this intersection. Enter. Then I'm going to extend it. So I'm going to type EX, the shortcut for extend. I'm going to click on it. Good. So this point now, we have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we started the construction of a similar triangle to our given triangle. So in the next drawing, which is part 2, we'll be finishing the construction of the procedures to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle. So please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.